There are two ways to turn off Find My iPhone, one directly from your iPhone and another through iCloud.com. But before we go through the steps, here's what you need to know. Turning off Find My means your iPhone can no longer be tracked. But if you're selling it, trading it in, or sending it for repair, this step is required. Let's go over both methods and when to use each one. Method 1. Turning off Find My on your iPhone. If you have your iPhone with you, this is the easiest way. Open Settings. Tap your Apple account at the top. Select Find My. Then, tap Find My iPhone. Toggle Find My iPhone off. Enter your Apple account password, then confirm. And that's it. This removes your iPhone from iCloud, so it's ready for its next owner or repair. But if it's for a new owner, there's one more step you'll need to do, which I'll mention in just a second. Method 2. Turning off Find My using iCloud.com. Now, if you don't have access to your iPhone, you'll need to disable Find My remotely. But here's the catch. Your iPhone must be offline for this to work. If your device is still online, you won't be able to remove it right away. You have three options. Wait for it to go offline. If it's powered off or disconnected from the internet, turn it off yourself, then remove it from iCloud once it disconnects. But if you have access to the device, you don't need to do this. Just use the first method. Erase the iPhone first, then remove it from your account. Here's how you do it. Go to iCloud.com and log in. Click Find iPhone, then select your device. If your iPhone is offline, click Remove from Account. This fully disables Find My. If it's still online, choose Erase iPhone first, then remove it. Important reminder: once Find My iPhone is turned off, you won't be able to track it anymore. So, only do this if you're selling, trading in, or no longer using the device. And one last step. If you're selling your iPhone, don't forget to sign out of iCloud completely under Settings. Tap your name, then select Sign Out to avoid activation lock issues.